Sindh Mdcat 2023 by Sindh Medical University. Instructions for candidates. The duration of the test is 3.5 hours and there are 200 questions. Do not bring anything to the test venue. Mobile phones, digital diary, calculator, all kinds of watches, stationery, or any other items shall be confiscated and discarded. Please bring your admit card. Before the start of the test, candidates are advised to check that the question booklet is intact with all questions and papers. No such complaints shall be entertained after the test begins. Please memorize your seat number. It will be used as reference in all future processing. All questions carry equal marks. Each question booklet carries different serial numbers for questions. Do not write anything on the question booklet except your name, seat number, and signature. Only one circle should be filled with black ballpoint pen provided for each answer on the answer sheet. The correct method of filling the answer sheets is also given in the question booklet. The machine will mark improperly filled circles as wrong. Please ensure that no part of the question booklet is torn or detached. Two plain sheets are available in the question booklet for rough work. No other sheets will be provided. During the test, leaving your seat, talking, whispering, and looking around is prohibited. Candidates not following these instructions and/or caught cheating shall be disqualified. All papers will be taken back after the test except a carbon copy. Please do not leave your seat after the test until the Chief Supervisor allows. Best of luck and seize the day.